Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install the Unico Play application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you are looking for the Unico application, this is how to install it. Start by searching if you already have it installed. If it's not installed, then go over to your app store, which is going to be on any Hisense Smart TV. If you have a smart TV or a Hisense Smart TV that doesn't have this Vida app store, then you are using the wrong Hisense Smart TV. So once you go over here, you can just go over straight to search the application, which is Unico Play. So what you have to do, just go over here and type Unico, which is UNICO, Unico, like that. Please don't make any mistake. So you can type in the whole application, or you can just type in Unico and search, and here's the application, Unico Play. So just click on it once, and it's just going to launch the information about the application and the option to install, which you just go ahead and click install, and voila, the application is installed. Now you choose where to place it on your Hisense Smart TV, and that is it, good to go. You can go ahead and launch the application and see what the application is all about. So that's how to download and install it to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.